In this video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut for Instagram the easy way, so you can edit your content, set the correct format, and export it with the best quality for Reels, Stories, or feed posts. If you want your Instagram videos to look cleaner, more professional, and ready to post fast, this is the exact process to follow. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open CapCut and tap on New Project. This is where you'll bring in the video clips you want to edit for Instagram. Select the clips you want to use, and once they're added to the timeline, the first thing you want to do is set the right aspect ratio. This step is really important because Instagram uses different formats depending on where you're posting. If you're making a reel or story, you'll want to choose 9:16. That gives you the full vertical screen experience and fills the mobile display properly. If you're creating a standard Instagram feed post, then 1:1 is usually the better choice because it creates that clean square layout. To change this, tap on the aspect ratio or ratio option in the toolbar, then simply choose the format that matches your Instagram content. Once that's set, your video will already be much closer to the final look you want before you even start editing. Now it's time to edit your video. CapCut makes this really simple, even if you're brand new to video editing. You can trim the beginning or end of your clips to remove anything unnecessary, cut out pauses, and keep the pacing tight. If your video needs more energy, you can shorten sections so it feels faster and more engaging. You can also add popular text templates to make your content stand out, especially if you're posting educational content, product clips, or trending videos. Another great feature is auto-generated captions. If your video includes talking or voiceover, captions can help make your content easier to follow, and they also improve viewer retention. A lot of people watch Instagram videos without sound, so captions can make a huge difference. In CapCut, just turn on the caption tool, let it generate the text automatically, and then adjust the style so it matches your brand or the look of your page. You can also move text, resize it, and position it so it doesn't cover important parts of the video. If you're posting to Instagram, try to keep your text in the safe area so it doesn't get blocked by buttons, captions, or interface elements on the app. That small detail can make your video look a lot more polished. Once your edit looks good, it's time to export. Tap the export button in the top right corner of the screen. For the best Instagram quality, choose 1080p. That gives you a sharp, clean final file without making it unnecessarily large. If CapCut gives you frame rate options, choose a high frame rate as well, especially if your original footage was recorded smoothly. This helps keep motion looking clear and professional after upload. After the export finishes, save the video to your device. Then open Instagram and upload it just like you normally would. You can post it as a reel, story, or feed post depending on the format you chose earlier. If everything was set correctly in CapCut, your video should now fit Instagram perfectly and keep its quality after posting. So that's the full process for using CapCut on Instagram. Set the right aspect ratio, edit your clips, add captions or text if needed, export in high quality, and then upload to Instagram. It's a simple workflow, but when you do it the right way, it can make a huge difference in how professional your content looks. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.